Verifying your Wise account is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Wise account using your registered email and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to verification section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or verification section. This is usually found in the profile menu or dashboard where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Provide personal information. Enter the required personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches the identification documents you will provide. Step 4. Upload identification documents. Prepare and upload the necessary identification documents. This may include a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After uploading your documents, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email once your documents have been reviewed. This process may take a few minutes to several days. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to use your Wise account fully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.